Having a digital symposium today is part of our ambition to be that leading digital town in the UK, and it's a starting point for young people to start to develop the skills and aspirations, the understanding of what the opportunities are through high tech in Barnsley into the future, and develop those skills and be the best they can be. Education and industry are the two key elements of a successful digital economy. Schools, colleges, universities coming together with our young people to give them the skills that they need, but to give them the right skills. So we need to talk to business. What do they want for the future? What do they need for the future? And having that partnership is the key to success.
Employer partnerships are absolutely essential for us creating opportunities for our students. We're great at the education side of things, but nothing makes the difference like the student actually meeting an employer and talking about what it is really like in their industry. We call it a flight path. Students can see a flight path into the job of their dreams, and we can't do that without the employer's engagement.
It's important to us to kind of let the young people know basically our potential employees of the future, how we see the market, how we can help them. If we can do that in the way that we've done today, it's brilliant.
I really liked the last session. Just kind of inspired you really and opened you up to what it will be like once you finish college, and giving you those opportunities in the future. The person that was doing it with us, he told us what people in college has done afterwards and the opportunities, and I feel like it's just good to tell everyone that, so then more people know that there's all sorts of different opportunities.
I think it was really exciting to see the equipment that they use in the actual profession. Being able to get hands-on with that, you get a feeling of trust, which I really enjoyed.
It's really important for partners to be involved in this event in order to give children and young people the opportunity to experience what real working life might be like. So industries being available to them so that they can talk to people that are working in those professions in real life will give them some idea about the opportunities that are both available to them and an interest in what they might be keen to aspire to achieve.
These digital symposiums where you put us all together and that allows conversation to take place, and it allows that osmosis and flow of information between each organisation. What you get from that is that we can provide a better service for these guys and they see what world's like in the world of work.